Oh, Chhay also knows how to sing. He also volunteers sometimes. There. What's your favorite song?
Okay, my favorite song is about your man.
Can you give us a little sample of your favorite song? Maybe we can share it with your audience, right?
Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on soft and slow. Baby, we're gonna a place to go. I hope you understand.
Hi everyone. So now we have Chhay on board with us today. Not only, of course, to promote TEDx, but also to share to us a little bit more information about himself and also about the TEDx journey. So what's your TEDx topic?
My TEDx topic is about the power of volunteering.
So when you thought about that topic, why do you think this story needs to be told or be shared on a TEDx platform?
For me, from my perspective, right now we can see that volunteering is something that many students or teenagers they overlook and also feel uninterested. And I want to show that volunteering is more than just extra work or just have something fun. It can help us and lead us to make us grow, learn, and contribute in the community.
Very nice. And I think Chhay right here has been doing a lot of volunteering. And I've seen your experiences right there. We've invited you to the concert event.
Yes.
And then you were actually the guy who helps assisting the main stars like Tenna. Who else were there? Princess Jenna and a lot more. Okay, you volunteered a lot, right? You've experienced a lot from these being a volunteer. If there are key takeaways that you think are very important for you, what are those things?
At first, I used to think like I want to have something fun with my friends because volunteering we can work together. But I realized that it's not just about you have something fun and enjoying, but we can learn from the people. We can connect with people, so we can share our ideas and exchange our ideas to others, and we can make it apply for your life and grow.
Very good. And I think many students out there, although they're shy at the beginning, when you tried it out, it can be addictive. Trust me, because Chhay right here just started like doing this simple volunteer work and then it becomes bigger and bigger. Oh, Chhay also knows how to sing. He also volunteers sometimes whenever we have events wherein, you know, we ask students to perform on stage. So that's one way of volunteering as well. Can you give us a little sample of your favorite song? Maybe we can share it with your audience right there. What's your favorite song? The one that you sing when you volunteer to perform.
Okay, my favorite song is about your man.
Your man, okay. Oh, okay, your man. So can you share a little bit of the line right here when you
Okay. Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on soft and slow. Baby, we're gonna a place to go. I hope you understand.
Wow, okay. You have a really good voice and I don't think you can do that kind of singing, huh? So normally I would, it's like a man really singing the song. Very nice. As I know, Chhay also here studies Chinese here at Aii Language Center. So you're studying English, you're studying Chinese. What else are you studying?
I study Chinese.
Chinese, okay. So just Chinese and English, right?
Yes.
Not studying French?
No.
Okay. Maybe soon French. But if you have anything to say in Chinese, can you share it with us?
大家好，我是赖明才，我是从AI 学校。
And I think that means you're sharing your name to everyone and that you're studying here at Aii Language Center, right? Okay. Aside from studying Khmer classes, language classes, Chhay is also busy doing like modeling, right?
Yes.
So see, I think it all started from becoming a volunteer. So
Yes.
Chhay has very good potential right now, a lot of experiences, and now part of the TEDx event because he's been doing a lot of these things, okay? So with the TEDx, what do you think was the hardest part of turning your message into that idea that you would like to share on stage?
I would say my hardest part was choosing which moments to share.
Okay.
Because volunteering taught me so many lessons. So I need to focus on the one that would truly inspire and motivate others.
Very nice. Okay. And if you want to know which parts are those, you have to watch and of course buy the tickets, right? But before we invite you all, I'll be giving Chhay one last question. So what do you think, if there's a lesson that you've learned from these preparations in the whole journey, what lesson did you learn about yourself?
Preparing for TEDx taught me so many lessons that I'm capable of almost everything. I discovered myself, I discovered my confidence, my fear, and I learned that stepping out our comfort zone can lead us to get new experience and grow.
Very nice. So Chhay, I would like you to give this chance to invite everyone to watch or buy the tickets at the TEDx event.
Everyone, I would like to invite you to TEDx American Intercon School. See you on December 20 at Factory Phnom Penh.
So don't wait.
Please buy your tickets now.